this is Canary Quilts, and I am doing something way out of my comfort zone for the next month. I am part of the 30 Days of Improv QAL, which is going on Instagram. And I signed up for their newsletter, and once a week they'll send you a newsletter and tell you like what the shape of the week is, and this is rectangles and squares this week. And they tell you to, you know, work with rotary cutter or work with your scissors to cut the fabric. Cut different shapes, rectangles, strips of different sizes. They don't tell you how to put it together. They don't tell you how to cut the sizes. That's up to you. They just say use a rotary cutter and scissors, end up with a 5.5 inch unfinished block. So this is what I did today, and I'm going to show you how I did it. It did not take very long. I just kind of am going to walk through it. I was very nervous. This is out of my comfort zone, like I said, but I'm going to try to put these videos out every day, or Monday through Friday in August. And at the end, I'll have 20 blocks. And it's exciting and it's scary. So if you want to follow along, hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and you can watch me put these together. So let's get started. Okay, so I have joined the 30 Days of Improv QAL, and that is going on Instagram right now. And if you do the hashtag, you can follow along or join in also. So these ladies send out a newsletter once a week, and they're going to tell you what's coming up for the week. It's not every day, it's Monday through Friday. And like this week is, the shape of the week is stripes. So Monday is keep it simple, just explore cutting and piecing your strips. We're going for 5-inch blocks. So they want you to just kind of start cutting and piecing things together until you get something that you can get a 5-inch block out of. And these are the colors I have chosen. This is a Solid of the Month club that I'm part of at Fat Quarter Shop. I get these every month. And this is one that I really haven't cut into, so I think I'll just start utilizing this. They said to choose 5 colors. I'm gonna do these and just kind of see what I get. This is the first time I've ever done this. I'm very nervous to start cutting into fabric, but yet very excited to see what I have at the end of August. So this is the first day, and like I said, I'm very nervous. So let's just choose 5 fabrics. Let's choose a dark. Let's choose a medium. Let's choose 2 mediums. And let's just go with this green because it's very different. And then 2 lights. Let's do a pink and a yellow. So this is what I'm going to use. I think this is what I'll use this week since it's stripes, and I'll probably be cutting like big chunks out of this. I don't know. These are the 5 colors I'm going to use for my improv quilt. So I don't know how much I'm going to talk through this. I'll probably just start cutting and putting shapes together and sewing and just kind of show you what I'm going to do, and then talk about it afterwards. See how it goes. So I guess let's get started cutting. There we go. That was a little stress-inducing just because I usually work with a pattern. Let me give this a good old iron again. So this is a 5.5 inch block. I literally just started cutting different sizes, throwing them together. I knew that I would want something here with a seam going in the opposite way, so that's why I made my pink one short. And what's funny is this orange one got caught when I was sewing the yellow one on. I don't know if you can see it, but it got caught. That's why it's skinny. And I thought, well, I'll just leave it. I'll just leave it there. Just kind of adds to it. And so I got this section done, but I want a 5.5 inch unfinished block. So then I just went around and added these on to it, kind of frame it. So there you go. There's my very first 30 days of Improv QAL block. That did not take very long at all. I just started cutting and sewing, and it was pretty cool. But if you want to follow along with this, or you want to join in, it's on Instagram. It's hashtag, and I'll put it right below here, hashtag 30 days of Improv QAL. And you can sign up for the newsletter, which you'll get once a week, and they'll tell you what the shapes are for the week and kind of some tips and tricks maybe, but they aren't going to show you how to do it. You're on your own kind of on this one, but like I said, it just kind of, you know, helps you figure out colors and cutting and how to put things together, and probably will help in the long run just as you're doing patterns to put these things together. But anyway, if you want to follow along with me, it's going to be the month of August, and it's 30 days of Improv QAL, and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and you'll get notified when I put these videos out. So thank you very much for watching this video. It was fun to do.